published HoofTalk in 1993. And I had lots of pictures. I would tease people. I wrote HoofTalk, the hairline tells it all, put a picture on every page because I wrote it for cowboys. We wanted them to have pictures. But it wasn't really specific on how to achieve it. When we can be at the side of a horse's hoof and it's an absolute straight line, the entire hoof, that tells us that every tubule is absorbing the same amount of concussion.
Mm-hmm.
So we started using the expression a one plane symmetry. We can stand in front of these horses and imagine a sheet of glass going through and a straight hairline on the outside, a straight hairline on the inside, and you will have a one plane. So as we see feet with jamming, these tubules have pushed up more.